Hello and welcome to a new game like video. This is another Battlefield 4 ending basically, so this time I pick a different character. Hope you guys enjoy it, smash it with a like and I'll see you guys for more content very soon indeed. Bye bye.
Don't worry, they're pretty secure.
Yeah, right.
They're made in Sweden.
Oh, that feels so much better.
Fortress, this is Tombstone 3. We're in position and ready to blow shit up. What's your status? Over.
We're almost done for, so send it to hell.
Hannah, hit the switch.
Red! Something's wrong! There's no connection! Wrecker!
Fuck, give it to me. We gotta go back down.
Okay, well, only one of us needs to go. Wrecker, do you have another one of those C4 charges? Good, give it to me.
You are not risking your life, Hannah. I'm Irish, remember? The lucky one. Give it to me, Wrecker.
Wrecker, I risk my life for my country every day. Give me the charge.
Your country needs you alive, Hannah. You are not going down, period. Come on, Wrecker. When the detonator goes green, you push that button, Wrecker.
Irish! Damn it.
It's set and ready to go. Come on, Wrecker, push the button.
The blast could kill him!
God damn it, Tombstone, blow that ship now, now.
Damn it, Irish! Get out of there! Please don't make us do this!
Save the Valkyrie, Wrecker. Hit the switch, goddammit.
It's him or the Valkyrie! We don't have a choice! We did what we had to do, Wrecker. His life was not in vain.
Fortress, this is Bloodhound. Tombstone's on board. We're bringing them back. All are accounted for. One of them is missing in action, sir. Nothing we can do. We have to pull out immediately. Shit. Understood. I'll get my Marines back home.